Good morning, children. Today we are going to start exercise 2B. Let's start question number 5. Find the difference between 3 upon 5 of 30 km and 2 upon 3 of 30 km. First we find 3 upon 5 of 30 km. 3 upon 5 in the place of we use multiplication sign 30. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 6 3s are 18 kilometer. Now we find 2 upon 3 of 30 kilometer. 2 upon 3 multiply by 30. 3 10s are 30, 2 10s are 20 kilometer. Now find the difference. Difference is equal to 20 kilometer minus 18 kilometer is equal to 2 kilometer. Yeah. Now question number 6. Write down the reciprocals of. तो बच्चों रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है? इन रेसिप्रोकल you can obtain the reciprocal of a given fractional number by interchanging numerator and denominator of the fraction. It means denominator change into the numerator and numerator change into the denominator. It means we write here reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 3. It means denominator change into the numerator and numerator change into the denominator. Now it is an improper fraction. We can write here in mixed fraction 3 5 3 1s are 3. तो कितना आ गया बच्चों 1 whole 2 upon 3 its answer. Now reciprocal of 5. Reciprocal of 5 means that is 5 upon 1. 5 को हम क्या कह सकते हैं 5 upon 1 भी कह सकते हैं. तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? Denominator change into the numerator and numerator change into the denominator. So reciprocal of 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Now 2 whole 1 upon 5 हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? Reciprocal of 2 whole 1 upon 5 is equal to reciprocal of, convert into the improper fraction, 5 2s are 10 or 1 11. 11 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 11. Clear? Now remaining parts of this question in your homework. Let's start question number 7. Divide 20 divided by 1 upon 5. इसके नीचे हम यहाँ पर 1 लगा लेते हैं. It means 20 upon 1 divided by 1 upon 5. If we divide two fractional numbers, we change the division sign into the multiplication sign and we reciprocal the divisor. ये डिवाइज़र है, ये पीछे वाले नंबर को डिवाइज़र कहते हैं. तो इसको हम रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं. तो कैसे करते हैं? 20 upon 1 डिवाइड साइन चेंज इनटू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन एंड रेसिप्रोकल रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1 upon 5 इज 5 upon 1. नाउ 1 into 1 1 1s are 1. 20 multiplied by 5 100 upon 1 means 100. It is answer. Now third part of this question. First convert into the improper fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 upon 5 divided by 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Now 7 upon 2 is divisor. 13 upon 5 multiplication sign in the place of division sign, and reciprocal of 7 upon 2 is 2 upon 7. Now we can't cut any number, so we multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 13 2s are 26, 5 7s are 35. It is its answer. Yeah. Let's start question number 8 part 1. 5 upon 8 into 1 whole 1 upon 2 divided by 15 upon 16. The question is find. If we find the values or simplify the multiplication, we use BODMAS rule. BODMAS means B4 bracket O4 of D4 division M4 multiplication A4 addition S4 subtraction. If we simplify the questions, first we solve bracket, then of, division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. It is the rule of BODMAS. B4 ब्रैकेट, पहले ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करेंगे, ब्रैकेट के अंदर भी पहले ऑफ, फिर डिवाइड, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, फिर एडिशन, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन. ठीक है. Now in this part we solve the division, then multiplication. 5 upon 8 multiply by 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. Division, in the place of division we use multiplication and reciprocal the divisor. 16 upon 15. अब ये पूरा किसका हो गया? मल्टीप्लाई का. Now we can simplify this by the cutting. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3. अब आप देखेंगे इसमें ऊपर भी पूरा 1 बच रहा है और नीचे भी 1. 1 upon means 1. It is its answer. Clear? Now part 2. 1 whole 13 upon 27 into 2 whole 11 upon 12 divided by 3 whole 1 upon 9. 27 multiply by 1 27, 27 और 13 प्लस करेंगे इसमें तो कितना आ जाएगा? 40 upon 27. क्लियर? इंटू 12 2s are 24, 24 प्लस 11 35 upon 12. ठीक है. Now divided by 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28 upon 9. Now first we solve division part. 40 upon 27 into 35 upon 12 multiply by reciprocal of this number 9 upon 28. क्योंकि डिवीज़न के साइन को हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन के साइन में कन्वर्ट किया, और पीछे वाला जो इसकी बैक साइड में डिवाइज़र जो होता है उसका हम रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now 35 and 28, it is divisible by 7. We cut them. 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 25. Now अब देखिए कुछ कट सकता है क्या? कट सकता है. देखिए 4 1s are 4, 4 10s are 40. Now 12 and 10 divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Now check the numerator side. 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 3 6s are 18. Now it is a 25 upon 18 is a improper fraction. We convert into the mixed fraction. 18 ones are 18, 7 is remainder. तो क्या आया आंसर बच्चों? 1 whole 7 upon 18 its answer. Clear? Now third part. First convert into the improper fraction. 24 ones are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 24. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4 divided by 14 ones are 14 plus 1, 15 upon 14. Now solve them. 25 upon 24 into 9 upon 4 into 14 upon 15. Now solve them. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 cut by 3, 5 7s are 35, 8 2s are 16. Now 35 divided by 16, 16 2s are 32, 3. कितना आ गया? 2 whole 3 upon 16 its answer. Now 1 whole 1 upon 8 divided by 2 whole 1 upon 4 into 4 whole 1 upon 3. 8 ones are 8 or 1, 9 upon 8 divided by 4 2s are 8 or 1, 9 upon 4, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3. Now it is division sign we convert into multiplication sign and reciprocal of this fraction. 4 upon 9 into 13 upon 3. Now 9 cut by 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 18, 13 upon 3 2s are 6. Denominator multiply by denominator. It is a improper fraction. 6 2s are 12, 1. तो कितना है? 2 whole 1 upon 6 its answer. Okay. Now in next video we are continuing this exercise. Okay.